In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A20e, and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this smartphone. First of all, you need to find calendar app and tap on it. Now pick a date by clicking on the chosen one and create your event by choosing this plus icon at the bottom right corner. Now you can adjust it however you wish to. For example, add a title, pick starting hour or ending one. If you want to, you can always disable this feature as well by selecting all day. Now scroll down, click on location and tap on map. Over here you can select address or keyword and type in wherever you wish to. Now tap on done at the bottom right corner and over here select does not repeat. Now click on one of those options if you want to repeat and go back. Now you can take notes, invite people from your contact book and even set up notifications minutes, hours or weeks before your event. When you're ready, go back and tap on save. As you can see, my event was successfully created. If you want to make some changes, you can always tap on it. Then click on it over here and select wherever you wish to change. I will go with maybe starting hour. When you're ready, you need to select save again. If you wish to delete your event though, you can always do that by clicking on it, but this time selecting this delete icon at the bottom right corner and tapping delete in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!